Hi, this is Pat Mullen, Mullen Coins. What you're looking at here are examples of what we call third-party grading service coins. These are coins that people have submitted to an independent third party to get their opinion on the grade of the coin, which helps therefore determine the market value. There are many different companies to submit to, and some tend to have more stringent requirements than others as far as the final grade. Oftentimes, needless to say, the more stringent the requirements, the more valuable a coin in that particular company's holder might be. Again, keep in mind that all of these are opinions by these companies, and they can vary pretty dramatically. What you're looking at here in this picture, though, is 5 examples, the first being a PCGS holder. This is a silver dollar graded by PCGS as an MS65 plus, which means they believe this is a Gem Plus coin. And I think it's a pretty good example of a very attractive coin, and I would agree with the grade. But again, it is subjective. Now in this case, this coin in a PCGS holder would trade at near full market value. It's a nice coin and tough to find in this condition, and I think PCGS has properly graded it. NGC is another very reputable third-party grading service. The coins that are graded by NGC are also graded with a fairly critical eye, and the high grades are tough to get, and therefore coins in NGC holders tend to trade at close to current market value as well. This coin, while it's a beautiful coin, and I don't disagree with the grade of MS64, it is an ANACS holder, which the reputation historically is they've not been quite as critical as PCGS and NGC, and therefore ANACS holders don't trade at quite the same value of a PCGS or NGC. Again, the old adage is you buy the coin, not the holder. No matter what holder it's in, you want to make certain that you agree with the grade of the coin. Because again, all of these are put into holders with the subjective opinion of the people that are grading them. The 2 coins here are in different holders. One is a PCI holder, the other is a Numis Trust Corporation holder. They're not quite as well known, nor as well established, nor as large as the other 3 firms. And again, buy the coin, not the holder. Now my experience has shown that oftentimes PCI gets it right and the coins are properly graded. In some instances, though, my experience has been that those coins are slightly overgraded, and therefore they do tend to trade at a lower value for the grade than what the other holders might trade for. And then the other coin on the right on the bottom is in a Numis Trust Corporation. And again, my experience has been that oftentimes those coins are given a very generous grade for the actual condition of the coin, and that's reflected in the way in which they trade in the marketplace, which is also oftentimes just a fraction of what an NGC or a PCGS coin would trade for. So be careful, make sure you know what you're doing with it. Again, grading is subjective, and if you're going to use a third-party grading service, make certain that you're using a service that is going to be consistent with grade and discerning in grade, so that what you're buying has real value and something you can sell at a later time.